Welcome back at isa na namang araw ng pag-aaral natin ng mathematics, and today we will be discussing about remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Okay, so what is the remainder theorem? The remainder theorem tells us that if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c, or simply, for example, we have here this polynomial. We have 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 12 divided by x minus 3. So, itong x minus 3 natin na to, that is x minus c dito sa theorem statement. Okay, then itong 2x cubed minus px squared minus 8x plus 12, that is our p of x, or that is the given polynomial. So, what we need to do is to equate x minus 3 to 0. So, we have x minus 3 equals 0. Then, apply APE. So, we will obtain x equals 3. Okay? So, bakit naging x is equals to 3? So, looking back, we have x minus 3 plus the additive inverse, which is positive 3, equals to 0, plus the additive inverse equals to 3. Then, by solving that, so negative 3 plus 3, that is 0. So, we have x here. Then, 0 plus 3, that is 3. So, that's why we have 3 there. Okay? So, that is APE. Then, since we already have our value for x, we can now substitute it to p of x. Okay? So, for our p of x, we have 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 12. And then, since we have x is equal to 3, let's substitute that to all of the variable x from the given expression. So, we have p of 3 is equal to 2 multiplied to the cube of 3 minus 5 multiplied to the square of 3 minus 8 times 3 plus 12. Okay? So, simplify lang natin yan. So, ang 3 cube natin, that is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 3 square natin, that is 9. Then, 3 times 8, that is 24. Okay? Then, simply proceed with the operation. And once we proceed with the operation, we have p of 3 is equal to 63. Meaning, the remainder for the quotient of 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 12 divided by x minus 3 is 63. Okay, so 63 yung remainder niya. Okay, so by simply applying remainder theorem, there is no need for us to apply long division or synthetic division para lang malaman natin yung remainder. Okay, so we simply substitute the values of x to the given polynomial. Okay, then let's have the other theorem. We have the factor theorem. This one states that if the remainder comes out to be 0, then x minus c is a factor of p of x. Meaning, kapag yung isang polynomial natin dinidivide sa isa pang polynomial and yung remainder nila ay naging 0, meaning, yung pinang-divide natin na polynomial mula dun sa isa pang polynomial, that is a factor. Okay? So, yung x minus c natin, that will became or that will be understood to be a component of p of x kung 0 yung remainder. Okay, so let us try this example. We have p of x, which is 8x cubed minus 10x squared minus x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Similar process, let us equate x minus 1 to 0. And apply APE. That's why we have x equals to 1 here. Okay? Then, since we have x equals 1, we can now substitute it to the given polynomial. Okay? So, we have p of x equals to 8x cubed minus 10x squared minus x plus 3. Substitute 1 to all the variable x from the given. So, we have p of 1 equals to 8 multiplied to the cube of 1 minus 10 multiplied to the square of 1 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so simplifying the given, So, cube of 1, we have 1. Okay, we have 1 for the cube of 1, then we have 1 for the square of 1, and negative times positive 1, so we have negative 1. Okay, proceeding with the operation, so we have p of 1 equals to 0. Okay, so since naging 0 yung p of 1 natin, that means there is no remainder. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of 8x cubed minus 10x squared minus x plus 3. So, ibig sabihin nun, itong binomial natin na x minus 1, factor siya neto. Okay? Isa siya sa bumubuo or isa siya sa component neto. Okay? So, that is the factor theorem. That will be useful if we will be factoring polynomials or if we will be dividing polynomials. Okay? So, that is our factor theorem and remainder theorem. If you have questions or clarifications, you can simply write down your comments below so that we can clarify it or we can discuss it further for our next video lessons. Okay? And that's all for now. Thank you very much for listening and for watching the video. I hope that you are all well and healthy. Okay, keep safe.